Good morning students, welcome you all. Today we will continue the chapter, the tsunami. In the previous class we read the chapter, now come on the chapter from the second part. Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket beach in Thailand. Though she has won a number of awards, her parents have not allowed their daughter to be interviewed on television and made into a heroine. Why do you think they took that decision? So now here is a story from Thailand. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7 years old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. So here we get that this is a story from Thailand, and the Smith family. So we know that the Smith family from southeast England, they were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort. Resort means here a place where people go on holidays. They were celebrating Christmas at beach resort in southern Thailand. Tilly Smith was 10 years old and her sister was 7 years, and their parents were Penny Smith and Colin Smith. It was 26 December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. And it was 26 December 2004. Deadly means horrible tsunami waves were already on their way. On their way means they were already in a motion, in continuous motion on their way, and they had been triggered waves, deadly waves triggered they had been triggered by a massive earthquakes, because there was a massive means huge, very huge earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. They have caused earthquake in northern Sumatra earlier that morning. And you know that, student, triggered means caused, describes here sudden violent reaction here, and undersea earthquake caused the tsunami. The tsunami causes undersea earthquake. So here, because of it, there was a massive earthquake in northern Sumatra earlier that morning, that was felt on the day 26 December 2004. The water was swelling and kept coming in, Penny Smith remembered. So the water was swelling, puffing, increasing in height, and kept coming closer towards the beach. Penny Smith remembered, the mother of Tilly Smith, she remembered. The beach was getting smaller, and the size of the beach was getting smaller and smaller. I didn't know what was happening, but she did not know what was happening. But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. Her mind kept going back to a geography lesson she had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. But Tilly Smith felt that something was wrong. Her mind kept going back, and her mind kept going back to a geography lesson. She went towards the geography lesson she had taken in England just 2 weeks before, where she had learned 2 weeks before. 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. Before coming to Thailand, 2 weeks before, she had learned. So her mind kept going back to a geography lesson she had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. So she remembered whatever she had learned in her geography class. Tilly saw the sea slowly rise and start to foam, bubble and form whirlpool. She remembered that she had seen this in class in a video of a tsunami that had hit the Hawaii island in 1946. Her geography teacher had shown her class the video and told them that tsunami can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes and a landslide. So afterward what had happened? Tilly Smith sensed, felt, she saw that the sea was rising slowly and taking start foam and bubble and whirlpools taking around. She was getting such thing taking the form of foam, and she was getting that the sea waves, the sea water slowly rise taking the forms of bubble, foam and whirlpools taking the round. She remembered that she had seen this in class in a video of tsunami that had hit the Hawaii island in 1946. So she remembered that she had seen such scene in her geography class, and she had seen that tsunami hit the Hawaii island in 1946. She had seen such scene in her geography class in the video. Her geography teacher had shown her class the video and told them that tsunami can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes and landslides. And she had got the information she had learned in her class. Her geography teacher had told them that tsunami can be caused by earthquakes, underground movements inside the seawater, and volcanoes due to volcanic eruption, and landslides. Lands will be diverted from the place. Understand? So she had learned such thing in her geography class, that her geography teacher had told to them that tsunami can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes and landslides. Tilly started to scream at her family to get off the beach. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. She got more and more hysterical, said her mother. And afterward Tilly started to scream, to cry loudly at her family to get off the beach. When Tilly started to scream at her family to get off the beach, she started to cry that leave the beach. She talked about an earthquake, and she was talking about an earthquake under the sea. She was talking about an earthquake under the sea, and she got more and more hysterical. She became more and more hysterical in a sense that when she was crying without any control. She was telling such thing without a control. She was uncontrolled when she was telling this thing. When she was talking about earthquake under the sea. Said her mother Penny, I did not know what a tsunami was, but seeing my daughter so frightened, I thought something serious must be going on. Her mother Penny Smith did not know anything about tsunami, but when she saw her condition, she felt that something is serious. Understand? By seeing my daughter so frightened, when she saw her daughter frightened, afraid of, she felt that something is serious, must be going on. Tilly parents took her and her sister away from the beach to the swimming pool at the hotel. A number of other tourists also left the beach with them. Then it was as if the entire sea had come out after them. I was screaming, run. And afterward what had happened? Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from the beach and to the swimming pool at the hotel, and they reached to the swimming pool at the hotel. And afterward a number of other tourists also left the beach with them. When they left the beach, other tourists also left the beach. Then it was as if the entire sea had come out after them. And afterward what had happened? The entire sea, entire people who were on beach, they returned towards the hotel. I was screaming, run. I was screaming, run. Penny Baxter was screaming, run. The family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. The building withstood the surge of 3 tsunami waves. If they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. And afterward, what had happened? The family took refuge, took shelter. Refuge means shelter, in the third floor of the hotel, and the building withstood. Withstood means endured without collapsing. The building withstood without collapsing. Endured without collapsing means the building was intact, akhand. There was no impact of tsunami on the building. The building had faced 3 tsunami waves. And if they had stayed on the beach, and they were thinking that if they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. The Smiths later met other tourists who had lost entire families. Thanks to Tilly and her geography lesson, they had been forewarned. So here the Smiths family later met other tourists who had lost entire families, and they had lost entire families. Thanks to Tilly and her geography lesson, they had been forewarned. They had been forewarned means they had been predicted. They had got the information earlier. Tilly went back to her school in England, and told her classmates her terrifying tale. And she told the terrifying tale. Terrifying tale means horrible tale, what had happened on the Thailand beach. So I hope that you have understood all this. Thanks for watching the video. We will be in the next video. We will read the remaining part from the chapter. Thanks for watching the video.